Good morning in at Middletown.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you remember me?
I do not. Did you call recently?
No.
Okay, and is there something we can help you with for the hotel?
I'd like to talk to Joan.
I'm sorry, you do have the wrong number.
I know exactly who you are.
Oh my God, this is...
My Dunkin' Donuts.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Just fine. This is regarding your grandma's in jail.
Really?
Yeah. The three
Oh my
charges
God.
are use others ID for gain, and theft of an access card, and also possession of a controlled substance. Well, it would cost
Really?
you $500.
Do I have $500?
That's not
Of course
correct.
I do to get my grandmother out.
Yeah, let's look and make sure everything got. It's going to cost more than $500, though. I bet you. Well, usually the bail's somewhere. Well, usually the bail's somewhere between $25,000 and $50,000.
Really? Okay. I'll do anything.
I don't know how you're going to. Yeah. I take a debit card or a credit card.
You do? Okay. I got my debit card right here. I got like $30,000
Yes.
in my bank account. You didn't know that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you know what that 8-digit?
Do you need my number now so I can go get her?
Yes. Do you know what that
right.
8-digit number is?
My what number?
Do you know what that 8-digit number is?
I do. Go fuck yourself.
Wow.
Hello?
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Listen, dude, I don't have a grandmother. This is a business. If you call one more time, I got caller ID. So don't go there.
Well, sir, the first thing I...
Good morning in at Middletown.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Thank you for calling Courtyard by Marriott Loveland Fort Collins. This is Angelina.
Hi.
How can I help you? Hi.
How are you?
Doing fine. How are you doing today?
Just fine. I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, sir.
Wow. Pardon me?
Courtyard by Marriott Loveland Fort Collins.
Yeah, I tried to call you back. Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
Sir, I don't know why you're calling. You said you're trying to sell a refrigerator? I don't think that has anything to do with that. Sorry, sir.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
No, I don't need any help, sir. Thank you for the offer. Have a great day.
Wow. People used to beg me to do it. Hi. Hello.
How can I help you?
I've got GE Refrigerators for sale.
No, thank you. We're not interested. If you'd like to talk to a manager, call back on Monday morning. Otherwise, have a great day, sir.
Well, it would cost you $500.
Thank you, sir. You have a great rest of your day. Please don't call again.
Wow. I know you're a bit...
Thank you for calling the Candlewood Suites in Greeley. This is Jessica.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Just fine. I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, not really.
Wow. Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
I'm sorry?
I know you're a better gentleman than this, sir.
Not a gentleman. Do you know who you're calling?
I know exactly who you are.
Okay.
Are you interested?
No, not at all.
Wow. Well, it would cost you $500?
No, sir, you've called a hotel. I mean, I don't know who you're trying to...
That's not correct. It's going to cost more than $500, though, I bet you.
Okay, I'm going to hang up now because I don't think you're calling the right person.
All right, good luck with that one.
Thank you for calling the Candlewood Suites. This is Jessica.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Sir, I don't know who you're trying to talk to, but you've just called a hotel.
Is that right?
That's very right, yes.
I know exactly who you are.
I don't think you do.
Wow. And your name again is?
Jessica.
Yes, I know. It's always that way.
Sir, unless you're trying to get a hold of a guest, I suggest you not call here again.
Let's start this again.
Okay.
I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
I am not. I just work here. I'm not the
Wow.
owner.
Why are you doing this?
Because you're not calling to book a room or to get a hold of a guest.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to not call again unless you're trying to book a room or talk to a guest.
I'll give you a call back ASAP.
I probably not.
Bye.
Okay.
To be recorded or monitored for quality purposes.
Reservation.
Hello?
Today.
Hi.
Reservation. Yeah, how can I help you?
How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Just fine. I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
I'm sorry, what?
I've got GE Refrigerators for sale.
So this is a hotel. Are you looking for room reservation?
I know exactly who you are.
Are you looking for room reservation?
Nope.
Park Hyatt Beaver Creek Front Desk, this is Jack. How may I help you?
I said hi.
How's it going?
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Just fine. I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
We are not, no.
Wow. Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
To buying refrigerators?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. Well, it would cost you $500?
Thank you for calling Park Hyatt Beaver Creek.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
What's that?
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you? Because I've been collecting them for years.
I just picked up the phone.
Huh?
I just picked up the phone. I don't think that's arguing.
Do you remember me?
No.
I've got GE Refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
You would have to talk to one of the director of operations, and he comes in later this afternoon.
Wow. Why are you acting like this?
Because I'm not in charge of buying refrigerators.
I don't believe you.
Alrighty. You have a great day, sir.
Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
It's not my responsibility. I'm the front office lead.
I'll give you a call back ASAP.
It is not.
Excuse me?
It's not. I don't deal with purchasing any refrigerators. That's all Director of Operations. You would have to speak with him.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
I know exactly who you are.
Who am I then?
Hi, John.
What?
Hi, John.
Sir, like I said before, if you need to talk to someone about purchasing a refrigerator, you'd have to speak to the Director of Operations, and that's not me.
Wow. People used to beg me to do it. Okay, hang on. I can look right now, too.
What was that?
I can look right now, too. Well, it would cost you $500?
No.
It's going to cost more than $500, though, I bet you.
Okay.
Because I just, yeah, I've been collecting them for years. It's, you know, and I know a lot of people that have them, too.
Okay, well, like I said before, I don't handle those purchases. You'd have to speak with the Director of Operations.
Okay.
And he comes in later this afternoon around 3 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Have a great day.
I'll give you a call back ASAP.
St. Moritz Lodge, Tom.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Can I help you out, sir?
Just fine. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
Thank you for calling Glenwood Suites. How can I help you?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
Just fine. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
My general manager will be in about 7:30.
Wow.
Yep.
All right, homie. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you for calling Hampton Inn at Novi Commerce. This is Julius. How can I provide exceptional service?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. How can I assist you today?
Just fine. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, sir.
Okay, try this. Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
Excuse me?
Just because John read the receipt wrong to you, you're gonna act this way? Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act? I know you're a better gentleman than this, sir.
Hello?
Huh?
Hello? How can I assist you, sir?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, sir. This is a hotel that you're calling.
Wow. I know exactly who you are.
Okay. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes.
Okay. How can I help you with a hotel, sir?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
Okay. Okay, let me transfer you to our sales department, okay?
Yes.
Thank you for calling Hampton Inn at Novi Commerce. This is Julius. How can I provide exceptional service?
How come your phone's disconnected? I've tried to call you back.
Okay, how can I assist you?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
Okay. Let me take down your telephone number, and I'll have our general manager give you a call regarding to that, okay?
Yeah, I've been collecting them for years. I've probably got 150, 200 of them.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Fred Gordon Herbert, and I go by Fred Herbert. But some people would go by Gordon, let's say, even though that's their middle name, you know?
Can I have your telephone number?
Yeah.
Can I have your telephone number?
Yes.
Okay. What's your telephone number?
17 11 to 92 and 61.
Okay. I'll relay the message to our general manager, okay?
You
And
think
he'll
it's
call you
because
if
you're
he's interested.
Mexican?
Okay, sir. I will have to hang up the phone, and he's going to
Can you
give you a
hear
call.
me? I'll give you a call back ASAP.
No, sir. They'll call you.
Yeah?
They will call you. You don't have to call back. They will call you if they're
No.
interested.
No.
Okay. Well, I will have to disconnect, sir. I can't stay on the phone. I have hotel guests that's in front of me that I need to assist, okay?
Yeah, just because John
Bye-bye.
read the receipt wrong to you, you're gonna act this way? Is this?
Thank you for calling Quality in Flint. This is Vanessa speaking. How may I help you?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Just fine. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
Sir, I can't understand what you're saying.
Wow. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but it keeps cutting out, and it just sounds like random noises.
Huh?
It keeps cutting out and sounding like you're saying random noises. It's hard to make out what you're saying.
Let's start this again. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested? Because I just, yeah, I've been collecting them for years. I probably got 150, 200 of them.
I'm not the manager of this place, so. And
I'm sorry,
I don't got
what?
money, so.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I'm not the manager or anything of this place, and I don't.
Well, sir, that's what the first thing I asked you is if I don't believe you.
Sir, I'm very confused.
Wow.
And you're still cutting out.
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
You're speaking so softly I can barely hear you.
Speaking at, like, normal volume.
Wow.
But every time that you're talking, it just, like, is cutting out.
Why are you acting like this?
I feel like this is like a prank call.
Bitch. This isn't a recording.
It's just that every time that you say something, it sounds exactly the same as before.
I get these calls all day long from a prankster, and I just got one a little while ago, so we've been getting these prank calls for a couple of years now. Well, because this goes on all the time. I'm getting pranked.
By who, me?
Yeah.
I'm pranking you.
Yes.
How am I pranking you? You called me. You called my establishment.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Okay, then I'm hanging up.
I'll give you a call back ASAP.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Calling Quality in Flint. This is Vanessa speaking. How may I help you?
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
I'm not trying to argue with you, sir.
Excuse me?
I'm not trying to argue with you, sir.
Wow.
Wow, what?
Just because John read the receipt wrong to you, you're gonna act this way? Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
What responsibilities, sir?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
See, that right there. That sounds like a soundboard because every single time it cuts out at the same time.
This isn't a recording.
You're not making any sense when you
This
say
isn't a recording.
Okay.
Are you interested?
See, it sounds exactly the same every time you say it.
Wow.
See, wow.
I don't understand why you're so mad at me, sir. I know you're a better gentleman than this, sir.
A gentleman, huh? I'm not even a man.
I don't believe you.
Why don't you believe me? I don't believe you that you're not prank calling me and wasting my time while I'm on my shift.
Well, it would cost you $500? That's not correct.
Cost me $500 for what?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
Okay, sir, I'm hanging up. This is a prank.
All right, good luck with that one.
I don't have time for this. So don't call back, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Uh-huh.
By Marriott.
Quality
How
in
come your
Buffalo.
phone's
How can I help you?
disconnected? I've tried to call you back.
How can I help you?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, sir.
Wow. Is this your way of getting out of your responsibilities? Is this the way you act?
I'm calling a business and you're going to speak to me like that. I'm going to hang up the phone. Have a great day. Bye.
I'll give you a call back.
Quality in New Buffalo.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Sir, there's no help you're going to help me with. You're trying to sell me something that I'm not interested in buying.
Wow. Well, it would cost you $500?
No, I'm not interested.
Okay, hang on.
I understand that.
That's not correct. It's going to cost more than $500, though, I bet you. Because I just, I've been collecting them for years. I probably got 150, 200 of them. Are you interested?
No, sir.
Wow. I know you're a better gentleman than this, sir.
Fairfield Inn and Suites, New Buffalo. This is Denise. How may I assist you?
Hi.
How are you?
Just fine. How are you?
Good.
Oh. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No.
Wow. I don't believe you.
Fairfield Inn and Suites, New Buffalo. This is Denise. How may I assist you?
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you? Because I just, I've been collecting them for years. I probably got 150, 200 of them.
Okay, I'm not interested.
I guess that didn't matter, did it?
No, I'm not interested.
Wow. Just because John read the receipt wrong to you, you're gonna act this way? Is this your way of...
But I have no idea what you're talking about, and I don't have time for this call. I'm not interested.
You're
Thank
speaking
you.
so softly, I can barely hear you. Little shacks. Then they had to make a roof. Well, a company
Fairfield
that
Inn and
used
Suites,
to melt
New Buffalo.
the
This is
plates
Denise.
down,
How may I assist you?
in fact, they were in Ontario, had been going out that way on that road.
Hello?
Or getting plates coming this way. I don't know. And the train derailed. And so here's a big pile of license.
Valley City Furniture, Frank speaking. How may I help you?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Who's this?
This is Fred. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
What is it?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
You're calling Valley City Furniture.
Yeah. I know exactly who you are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I don't know who you are.
My name's Fred Herbert.
Fred Rubert. I don't know who you are.
My name is Fred Gordon Herbert, and I go by Fred Herbert. But some people would go by Gordon, let's say, even though that's their middle name, you know?
No, I don't know.
Well, it would cost you $500? That's not correct. Okay, hang on. It's going to cost more than $500, though, I bet you. Oh. Well, usually the bill's somewhere between $25,000 and $50,000.
I don't know who you are. I'm going to hang up.
Wow. I'll give you a call back ASAP.
Thank you for calling Value City Furniture. Please select.
Valley City Furniture, Phil speaking. How may I help you?
I apologize. I was frustrated with you. Let's start this again. I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Are you interested?
No, I'm not interested.
Excuse me?
No, I'm not interested.
Please. Please. Say yes.
No.
That's not correct. Say yes.
No.
Yes.
Look, I got a business to run here. I have time.
Wow. That's...
Valley City Furniture.
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Oh, my goodness. You want to argue with me? I want you to help you. For the 5th time, I've told you you're calling Valley City Furniture.
No, I did not.
Okay, so you... I think you're calling the wrong person. Try again later.
Well, sir, that's what the first thing I asked.
Good morning, Squan Furniture.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Just fine. I've got GE refrigerators for sale.
Okay.
Are you interested?
We don't carry appliances.
Wow. I don't believe you.
Okay.
Well, it would cost you $500?
Okay, but we're not interested. But thank you anyway. Good luck.
It's going to cost more than $500, so I bet you.
Okay, probably. All right, you have a nice day. Take care.
I'll give you a call back ASAP.
Squan Furniture?
Do you just want to argue with me, or do you want me to help you?
Hello?
I've got GE refrigerators for sale. Wow. You're very rude.
I'm an asshole.
Oh, fuck you.
Your mother.
Do you want to fight me? Go sit under a tree.
Are you retarded? Do you need medication? Do you
Yeah.
need medical attention?
You guys are asshole.
Yeah,
you know that brown shit that comes out of your ass? Eat it. And I'm going to pee in your skull. I'm going to break your grandma's neck.
I can do this all fucking day.
You are going to pay. Next felon with a firearm. I'm in your house.
Good luck with that.
I know where your parents and family live.
You know where my family lives? They're all dead,
Yes.
you stupid fucking retard.
All right, good luck with that one.
Die. Go commit
You
suicide.
fucking asshole. And I'm going to put it into you.
Go fuck your refrigerator, you piece of shit.
Eating bitch.
Swan Furniture.
I apologize. I was frustrated with you.
Why you keep calling me?
I'm single, so you want to have a relationship with me, sir.
No, I don't ever
Boyfriend.
want to fucking talk to you ever again. Stop calling.
5'2", 370 pounds
Stop.
with white. Huh?
I don't give a fuck who you are. Stop calling. This is a business. I will have the call traced, and I'll have you fucking arrested.
All right, homie. Bye.
Fuck off.